They call her Hurricane Mileena, the forces of nature within her. Gravity can't keep her in place. She is too powerful. She is levitating. She is beyond dreams. She is a symbiote. She shall reign supreme. Click that subscribe button, everyone. I feel power and beauty. Now guys, I don't know how their dress is. I'm not sure how my look is. But all I know is I'm the most powerful beauty in the world. Alright guys, obviously a bit cartoonish. But you know what I mean, it's kind of funny. Alright, totally enjoy. Kind of funny, right? Kind of funny. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Click the subscribe. Alright, bye.